Hi, this is Chris Benka from Revenge Performance. Recently on social media, we posted a poll to determine what suspension kit you wanted to see reviewed, specifically when in use for the 3000 GT VR4 or the Dodge Stealth RT Turbo all-wheel drive. The results were overwhelmingly in favor of the HKS Hypermax GT4 suspension kit. Today we're just giving an introduction, doing a brief unboxing video of this. We will be taking a little bit of video of actually installing this on the car and showing how well these adapters really go into place. But today we just want to give an introduction to what we're trying to do and what these coilovers are all about. So let's take a look.